In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use merge tags in Mailchimp. Start by opening up campaigns in the left panel. Next is open the campaign you would like to edit. Then click on Edit Design to open up Email Builder. Now once inside, click on the text block where you want to add personalization. Now here in our example, we have this message here that says, "Hi there," then the space, "Enjoy this limited time offer just for you." So as you can see, we want to automatically add the customer or subscriber's name in this section, and that's where we use merge tags. Now to insert a merge tag, click on the three dot icon at the top, then click on Merge Tags. Now select the data that you would like to use. In our case, since we want to automatically add the name of our subscriber, we're going to use first name. As you can see, this tag F name is automatically added in our sentence or message. And with this, the subscriber's first name will now be displayed automatically. And when the email is sent, Mailchimp actually replaces this tag with the actual value from each contact's profile. You can also use merge tags for other data like last name, email address, company name, or custom fields from your audience. Now, before sending your campaign, make sure that you use the preview mode to see how the merge tags will appear for your subscribers. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!